supplies and supporting equipment to the schools. While I was down there, I met a couple of businessmen, and they came to me with this proposal. So I thought it was a good proposal because I love the culture, I love the people here, and I wanted to make sure I give back, and I wanted to be involved in tourism as well. I know that Jamaica has over 4.3 million visitors a year, and when they came to me, we all got together and collaborated and came up with Poko Loko, what you see now.
You know, when we spoke to at the Observer, we came out after burial and spoke to some of the locals in the area, and the agreement was from so many of them that it's just an excellent idea, first of its kind. What do you say to that?
It is. I mean, first of all, we're the only floating bar in North America. I mean, to get this experience, which you're not going to get this experience because it's Jamaica, and they got Jamaican people, so you're never going to get this experience anywhere else. But you have to go across the world to Thailand and that area to get a floating bar. So we took something, a little piece from everyone, and put it in and made Poko Loko. So I mean, it's outstanding. It's swimming, it's fun, it's drinks, it's partying. I mean, everything that you want for vacation, going on an excursion, this will be it.
And what do you say? Maybe expansion of more Poko Loko floating bars around the island?
You know, we have been in discussion with doing something in Mobay, maybe doing something in the Grill. We've also been in discussion of doing some other ones other places as well, but we want to make sure that we're, you know, here and doing a good job here before we do any other expansion.